Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to deposit money into your Exness account using your Binance account on both iPhone and Android. The process is quick, easy, and only takes a couple of minutes. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fast and easy tech tutorials. First, open the Exness app on your phone and navigate to the deposit section. From the list of available payment methods, scroll down and select Binance. Now enter the amount you want to deposit. Keep in mind that the minimum deposit amount is $50. Once you've entered your amount, tap Continue or Confirmation, depending on your app version. Next, Exness will ask for your Binance ID. To find it, leave the Exness app and open the Binance app. Once you're inside Binance, tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile at the top, and right next to your profile picture, you'll find your Binance ID. Tap it or copy it to your clipboard. Now, switch back to the Exness app and paste your Binance ID into the required field. If Exness asks you to confirm that the Binance ID is correct, select Yes, then tap Confirmation. On the next screen, tap Confirmation once again. Your Binance app will automatically open and display the payment request. Carefully review the deposit details, then simply tap Deposit to approve the transaction. That's it. Your deposit request has been submitted, and your funds will be processed directly through Binance into your Exness account. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.